Hey everyone, so this is season 2 of daily marble runs. This time I think, wait, let me calculate. Yeah, I have 14 marbles this time, so yeah, I just showed them to you, so yeah, anyway, yeah, I created a new marble run last night, so now let's go. Final finish. Alright, so this one is eliminated. So yeah, they'll go in here. So yeah. Yeah. But anyway, but there's a twist. We're gonna like have 2 eliminations per day, cause but this is the only episode where there will be elimination also, excuse me. So yeah, final 13, and yeah, and why will after this race, the 2 marbles to finish last will be up for elimination, and using the poll in the description of yours will vote. Now let's do this. I wonder how this is made at this. Okay, this one's definitely up for elimination. Okay, now I'll grab the 2 ones who were, like, last place ones. Okay, so people vote either cyan or yellow to be out. Yeah, I'm just gonna, like, give random names for these marbles each episode, because it's hard to come up with exact names that are good, so yeah. Vote one out, please. Voting ends tomorrow. See ya.